Okay, Sparky.
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 All right. It's a good thing we had David Hochberg on so
Yes.
he could win his money. Because today's tip of the week is for
Yes.
Buying
first-time
expensive
home
things?
buyers.
First-time home buyers. Sweet.
So, read an article this week that said that millennials are really gearing up to buy houses now.
Really?
But a lot of them are severely disappointed. So, well, they like the idea of buying houses, but because mom and dad don't typically make them do anything anymore, once
Yeah.
they get in there, they realize stuff needs to get done.
Fixed, yes.
So it's kind of a rude awakening.
Right. But
Welcome to real life.
they want it
Buttercup.
when they move in, they want it to be completed, done. They don't want to have to do anything.
And that's hard to do because the cost of construction's up, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so
Sure.
tips for first-time home buyers. Number one, check your credit.
Uh-huh.
You know, credit score is everything now. When I was younger, we didn't have credit scores. We just had credit. You just told them you'd pay on Wednesday, and you did.
Thanks, Grandpa.
But now you have a credit score. So watch your credit score. Get your annual report. One of the things I like to do is call it, like LifeLock. Waste of money. Just call one of the credit bureaus and tell them to put a fraud alert on your account, and nobody can open credit in your name without contacting you. That's all they do.
Uh-huh.
It's so stupid easy. $100 a year. Anyway, monitor your credit. Your down payment's the tough one. I mean, a lot of these kids are getting out of college, got, tons of student loan debt.
Yep.
I don't know how you're going to save for a down payment. But look at programs. The VA has better ones, so that's one way to go. But the other thing is too, don't buy outside your means. If you got to buy a little shack, buy a little shack.
Sure.
Make it the nicest shack on the block. Create a budget.
What?
See what's left over for your mortgage. Yeah, budget. That's where I have X number of dollars. You don't keep running to damn Starbucks and using your debit card. Or, I have Speed Pay on my phone. Well, you're an idiot, because that all has fees. Watch your money disappear.
How do you really feel, Rich? I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. I don't hold back. All right. So when you do your budget and everything, make sure you keep in mind you need taxes, insurance, your utilities, and always have a maintenance fund. So it's always going to cost you more than you think.
Yeah.
Next thing, know your realtor. Don't hire your buddy necessarily just because, like I live in Florida, and one of the rules to be a Florida resident is to get a real estate license. So everybody knows a realtor down here.
Sure.
It doesn't mean you should use them. Use somebody that actually knows the market and knows what you're looking for. Friends will never try to steer you wrong. They just aren't listening.
They just do.
Yeah. Know where you want to go is a big one.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to be in a big house? Do you want to be in a small house? Do you want to be in an up-and-coming area? Do you want to be in a revival area? So there's know where you want to go before you do it.
And a condo or a townhouse. And what goes with being in a condo or a townhouse? The homeowners association fees. I mean, it just, you got to look into all that.
It adds up.
Oh, yeah.
When it comes to your contract, do not assume anything. And again, don't rely on your realtor. Make sure everything's in writing. If there is a fixture in that house that is kind of fancy looking and you like it, make sure you write that fixture is to remain, because all they have to do is do like stuff. So if there's a ceiling fan in a room and I sell you the house, I can replace that fan with another fan, and rarely is there anything you can do about it because it's still there.
Sure.
But it's not the one you liked when you looked at the house.
Right.
So put it in writing. Get an inspection done on the house. If you don't know crap about houses, get an inspector in there.
Even if you do,
right?
Get an inspector.
That depends. In my case, I buy old houses that need work. I know they need work. I don't need a 10-page report telling me it needs work.
Got it.
And then last thing, file your homestead exemption as soon as possible. That will save you a crap load of money on taxes.
Thanks, Grandpa.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return